A rug measures 4 feet wide and 2 feet long. Use a math drawing and our book's definition of multiplication to explain how to find the total area. Okay, so our rug is 4 feet wide and 2 feet long. So 2 feet, 4 feet, there's our rug. So I'm going to mark off the 1 foot lengths on each side. So now each of these squares is 1 foot by 1 foot, 1 foot by 1 foot. So the question is, how many 1 foot by 1 foot squares fit in this rug? And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you multiply 2 times 4 to get 8. So we have 2 groups or 2 rows of 4 square feet. That is 8 square feet or 8 feet squared. Either of those units is correct.